picky with that. Ayy, walking that bitch with that Louis V. She said she wished it was true of me.
Morning, Carrie Gangers. What's up, Carrie Gang, Camera family? I am back with another video. Wait, can I see your phone? My sister's up, by the way, so don't think I'm like talking to like a stranger. Y'all want to see my pajamas? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my pajamas. Okay, peep the drip.
You guys can't even cap. You know,
Right?
the fit is straight fire, straight gas.
Like,
I never seen none like this. This is like
and yes,
cover
I
of
see
Vogue right
croissants.
here.
Don't judge me, okay? I got this cute like pin to put on my backpack, and it says stay 6 feet away from me.
Obviously I can't read because that stay 6 feet apart, but you guys get it.
I like that, you know. I'm about to get ready real quick. Not even real quick. Like, I'm just gonna get ready. But yeah, I'm so nervous, and my friend was like, "Why are you nervous?" Like, sorry guys, it's hurting my eyes. She was like, "Why are you nervous? You're literally like an upperclassman." I'm like, I don't care. I'm still scared. Like, because like I'm the only one in my friend group going back to school. Like, it's kind of nerve-wracking, and it's whatever. My schedule changed a whole lot too. But here's an overview. I'm about to go get ready right now. Also, if you guys woke up this morning, if you've been watching this video, drop a like down below. God woke you up this morning, girl. Let's take a little prayer sesh and thank him for that, right? Okay, let's get ready now. Time to get ready for school, guys. Get ready with me. First day junior year, going to school face to face. Kind of scared, just cause like I'm not an outgoing person. Like, I am probably like just not outgoing. I'm about to do my hair. What time is it, Benty? Okay. It is so weird because like the time change. And in some of my classes, I like literally know nobody in there. And then I'm just like, well, at least when I was home connect online school, she'll be like, okay, kid, find your partners. Who am I gonna go to? And I know you guys are like hearing literally people are dying in the midst of a pandemic, and you're worried about not having friends at school. Get your priorities in check. What's up, Carrie Gang? Hold on, let me fix you guys a little bit. It's a little bright. I'm not gonna cap, it's a little bright. School. I'm going to school. I'm going back to school face to face. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Before I get into the video, don't forget to follow all my social medias. They'll be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment hashtag Carrie Gang to get a shout out in my next video. So yeah, if you have a video shout out in my next video, don't forget to comment hashtag Carrie Gang. So let's get to the video. That way, like, I'm a freaking upperclassman. Why are you scared? I'm just nervous for my classes and who's in my class. That's the only thing, to be honest. And the fact, like, who am I gonna talk to at lunch and stuff? If I have first lunch, terrible. It's like, who am I gonna talk to at lunch and who's gonna... I'm so sorry, you guys. Let me bring you guys up. It's early. What time is it, Benty?
6:32.
She's up, by the way, because she wanted me to wake her up just in case her schedule changed. Like, her schedule just changed now. I don't like my schedule either. I'm like so nervous because I'm like, what the freak? This schedule's so ugly.
Sway.
That's terrible. Also, guys, don't mind that. I will bleach my hair. I'm so sorry, you guys. Like, don't judge me. The hair's done. The hair's literally done. This is it. This is the hair. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows because they're non-existent. Because they're a freaking mess. Look at my eyebrows. Look at my eyebrows. Right. Non-existent. I wish I had stuff to talk about besides school. So, I don't. My life is boring.
Sway.
put on my sunscreen. Put on your sunscreen, you guys. Put on your SPF. Okay? Put it on. It's notably known that the election is tomorrow, and I'm just so scared. And if you guys could vote, please. I don't even, like, I'm not really keeping up with it like that, but vote. And please do, okay? Like, within the, like, next days of coming up with America, it's gonna be crazy, y'all. America is just gonna be so weird. I'm looking excited to see what's gonna happen and see how she's gonna act. Like, is we gonna act right? But we'll see, right? Okay. I'm so scared for the election. I'm like literally so scared. I don't think I've ever been so scared in my life. And plus, like, I live in the south of Florida, and like, which is, you know, notably known for, you know, little of the conservative ways. Literally, I like go down my street, I see Trump stuff, and I go back my street and I see a whole lot of Biden stuff. Like, it's really split. So this is gonna be an interesting election. Whoa, why am I like so bright, you guys? I'm not that bright. I'm dark skinned. I'm so sorry, I'm making so much noise. Like, we better get dressed anyway, so this is the look. Okay, so she's like basic or whatever. I'm washing my hands because I'm wearing white, so I'm wearing white and my hands have makeup on them, obviously. Also, if you guys did not watch my day of my life as a home connect, basically online school student, go watch that video. So this is the fit. It's not even like all that, to be honest, so don't be expecting the best of the best, okay? This is the fit, y'all. It's pretty basic. I know, right? Like, it's basic. Did y'all miss the fridge point of views, the fridge vlogs? Because I know I did, right? Like, it's like iconic. Okay, I'm about to fill up my water bottle. I got it for real. Just a little. So bright outside, it makes no sense, and it's like 6:44. Alright, you guys, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Right now I'm at home. I got home like at 10:26 because I don't have a next class period. Like, I literally only have 2 classes. Like, my first class is flag, which is basically for color guard and stuff, and then my 4th period is basically English 3. That was really easy peasy. I really like the way she teaches, like, her class, like, structured. Is like bell work, she talks, yada yada yada, we do the work, whatever. So yeah, I'm sorry this wasn't like extravagant or whatever. I'm gonna start you guys on my window pane. Let's have a conversation, a civil conversation, right? I haven't talked to no one for like a couple hours. Like, it's literally 10. Okay, so This is a fit. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I should have took pictures, but that was okay. And then I don't have a 6th period. That's my off campus, or I can eat lunch or whatever. And then 8th period, I don't have 8th period because of dual enrollment. So, which is college courses and high school courses, I'm taking at the same time. So I only have 2 classes at school. So I got home like at 10:26. Oh yeah, don't mind. I wash my hands, girl. Don't play. I wash my hands. So, yeah, I just got back home. The fit was low-key wasted of a fit. But tomorrow, vlogging tomorrow, and here's why. Well, it's not like I'm gonna edit tonight, so technically I can. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, but I feel like I should, right? Maybe if I find friends in my class. Let me see what's in my classes. So I have pre-cal tomorrow as my 1st period, and then my 3rd period I have early child care development, which is basically because like my school we have a daycare, so I do that. And I got DCF certified. Your girl got DCF certified, so I've been busting my behind without YouTube, okay? Don't think I just left for no reason, because I was busting my behind.
Okay, you guys. So, I don't know if you noticed, but voiceover me is back and in stereo. So, yeah, the rest of my video cut off without me knowing, so I was talking to my phone by myself, but not recording. Anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed week. Be safe. Now I'm about to insert a Bible verse. So I hope you guys enjoyed that Bible verse. Peace, you girls out. Mwah, baby, just like your titties, real big titties, double titties.